with validation, it gets disputed, and then it's proven in many, many cases, it gets proven to be what's called legally uncollectible. And that's the word that's most important here. A legally uncollectible debt can no longer legally be reported on your credit, and it does not have to get paid. So you literally could end up just having to pay the debt relief program fees. And here's an example. You can see this account is a $15,643 debt. This is an American Express credit card debt, and it was disputed with validation. The creditor responded, as we were unable to provide the information you requested, we have asked the credit reporting agencies listed below to delete all information. This is a typical scenario, and what this is right here, this is a defensible record proving the debt to be invalid. In other words, it becomes legally uncollectible. If you want to learn more information here about debt validation or debt settlement, all you would need to do is go to goldenfs.org, right here, goldenfs.org. Go to the left, choose a debt relief option, and choose debt validation. And you'll be able to read about the program and find more examples. Or you can choose debt settlement. Or if you want to stay current and get out of debt on your own, you could use the debt snowball method, created by Dave Ramsey. You also have other options. I mean, if you want to look at all of your options and compare the pros and the cons, click on credit card relief programs if you have credit card debt that you need to get paid off. And that's all we have to run here now, but thank you for listening to this video.